Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance video. I have $80 in prop money and 12 saving challenges that I am using to help me save for my sinking funds. So let's get started. So if you're new here, what I like to do is use these cards here that I have created. These are found in my Kofi for absolutely free. The link is down below. And those are just kind of randomize which envelope I'm saving for. Something just nice to do. And we are going to envelope number 6. And that is Reynolds Budget. Ooh, this one got 3 left. Could we do 2 of them? Let's see. This is a mystery save. Okay, yep, that's a 2. So we will do another one. Let's do this one. And that is a 6. So hopefully we can come back to this one and complete it. So that is $8. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we got one more. So hopefully we can come back to that one. And let's put, oh, why did I put the money in here? Oh my goodness. Let's get the money back out of there. Okay. All right. Next we are going to 5. Ooh, thrift is sewist. What is wrong with me today? Get in there. And happy April, everyone. I think by the time you guys see this, yeah, it's April. Because I'm filming this kind of early. So let's get, these are the, let me scoot some things down. These are the color cards here. And I put the colored dies in here. So I can just pick one blindly. Ooh, we're going to purple. Okay, we did purple a couple times. And let's see which one we're going to save. 2. Oh, we did 2 already. What is that? Another 2? 3. Okay, so we are going to do 3. And that is a 6. So $6. Perfect. So 5 and 6. Let's put that purple die back in there. And then we'll just keep these cards up here so we come back to it. Next, we are going to your choice. Let's go ahead and finish this one. That's going to bother me that it's one scratch. So we went back to Reynolds Budget. And let's save the last one. Ooh, a 6. All right, let's see the total. So let's get another $6. Let's put these 2 5s back and get the 10. So that's $14 right there. So let's see how much total this saved us. And where is it going to? Ooh, it's going to Easter. We need that. Because, James, I didn't even realize Easter was like next week or 2 Sundays from now. Like, where did the time go? It's crazy. Easter is already here. So Reynolds Budget is saving us 20, 30, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, $48. So let me go ahead and put plus 48 and make sure that's right. 20, 30, 40, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. $48. And I already got $147 saved plus 48. So $195. That is perfect. And we already got I believe I already got a ham in the freezer. Let me count these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, get it 5. And so yeah, I'll just do some little side items. Would be good. Or I don't have to cook. We just go out to eat. That sounds even better. All right, let's go to the next card. 11. What are your guys' plans for Easter? My kids aren't babies anymore, so I don't have to do like the Easter egg hunt and all that. I do need to put them an Easter basket together. I do like doing that. But they are 18 and 19, so there's no Easter egg hunt happening. So this challenge here is created by Mystic Budgets, and it comes in as a book, but I just took it apart and took one section out of it. It's called Carded and Diced. Let's do the carded part. So the carded part is these scratches here. So let's do one here. Ooh, we got another cloud. So that is a cloud. And what the cloud tell us to do on her little key here, it says pull 4 cards, add them up, and divide by 2 and stuff that final amount. So I have my cards here. Let's go ahead and shuffle these up. Oh dear. What in the banana split is that happening? Okay. I am not a card dealer here. So 4 cards. So let's go 1. Let's go 1 in the middle. 2, 3, and then 1 in the back. 4. Perfect. And then let's add them up and divide by 2. So we got, get the calculator. We got 5. We have a 2. An ace is 4. Oh, 4. 4. And a queen herself is $2. So $13, or 13 divided by 2, $6.50. So we're gonna round it up to $7. Perfect. So 5, 6, and 7. And once again, that is Mystic Budgets. I just love that. All right. Ooh, we're going to 12. 12 is Debt Free by 43. And I got this on Etsy. Yeah, on Etsy. Let's just go up here. We got another purple crystal. Fire amethyst. And that is $6. And it says stay magical. I love that. 5 and 6. All right. Where are we going to next? 4. 4 is Keely Creations. And this is the 2026 saving challenge. Says 80 plus. Let's see. Let's go here. And that is a 2. And let's do another one. Let's go, yeah, here. Ooh, this is the party hat for 5. The 5 is here. So $7, 5, 6, and 7. Why I cannot hold the money today? What's going on? We got 7. The Humble Budgeters. Oh, those are friends here who's living their best life. All right. So this is from the Humble Budgeter, and it's these cute cards here. There are number 1 through 12. And let's roll our D12 to see which one. We are going to the first one. And let's go ahead. Let's scratch this one since it's coming off. Ooh, that is a 2. All right, let's do that again. Let's clean this up. So we got $2, 1 and 2, and let's roll again. Okay, card 2. And let's go. Look at her putting on her lipstick and got her little mirror out. Okay. Got her blush on her cheeks. Let's go here. What? And the Rice Krispie treat. $20. Oh dear. 10, 15, 20. Wow. $22 going in here. What do this say? Do it say? Oh, 500. Oh, okay. So you living your best life just buying saving challenges and stuff. And don't, girl, look at you. But I love it though. All right. Next, we are going to 9. 9 is a Beautiful Budgets Co. This is a new one here. Decided to put this one in here. I think I was doing this side. I mean, I want to do this side. So let's get 2 6-sided dies. And let's see. Let's go ahead and roll. We got, oh, I should have do 2 different colors, shouldn't I? Yeah, girl, that's smart. Hold on. Let's do that again. Replay. So black at top. So we got 3. And let's roll that one again. 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 for $5. I really don't want to mark on this, but I'm gonna have to. Okay. So that's $5. Should we do that again? Oh, some big numbers. No, because we ain't got money like that. Okay. What we got left? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we got $13. Yeah, let's give somebody else a chance. Let's go up to 2. From Bookish Mama Budgets. And let's scratch this one. I promise Miss Lindsay be getting me with these times too. This is the moment when she realized she upped. Okay. Let's go here since this is lonely. Oh, okay, thank you. All right. So times 2 is $4. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, $4. Whew, that was a close one. I don't even know if we got enough to continue. What is that? 9. Who is 9? 9 is. Oh, okay. We back here again. Ooh, what this going to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say 9. Oh, let's see. Here we go. 1 and 2. Ooh, $6. We made it. $6. Can you guys see that? I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. We got $3 left. And I still didn't put a catch-all in here, did I? No, I didn't. I don't know what to do because all I got is $3. Who can I bother for $3? Can't do that one. Can't do that one. Champagne's Corner, we didn't get to play her. Can we do this one? Can we try? I don't know. I'm nervous. Okay, let's get this die that has Because this guy, oh, we could get a 4. Let's try. Let's see what we can do. This Champagne's Corner. I knew it. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. That's $1. And now still stuck with $2. Let's do it again. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2. Okay. Look, it worked. $2 more. There we go. Champagne's Corner. Perfect. All right. And let's see how much did each one get. It sounds like my husband just made it home. All right. So let's see. So Budget with Carly didn't get anything. Bookish Mama Budget got $1, $2, $3, $4. Almost finished with that one. Stuff in Budget didn't get anything today. And Keely Creations got $5, $6, $7 today. Crafty, what? The 3 Sewing Shop got $6 today. I don't know what I was about to say. And let's put her cards back in there. All right, Reynolds Budget. Oh yeah, this is the one we finished today. Perfect. And put that to the side. And that is for Easter. Humble Budgeter got 10, 15, 21, 2, $22. It humbled me real quick. Champagne's Corner got our $3. That's Just How We Roll by Beautiful Budgets Co. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. I can't sing it like she sings it. Dreamy Budgets didn't get anything today. Oh. And then Mystic Budget got $5, $6, $7 today. All right. And then Debt Free by 43 got $6. Stay magical. Don't let anyone dim your light. All right, gems, that is it for today in the Financial Abundance binder. That was $80 put into here. We did complete one saving challenge, which is awesome. So thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.